Welcome to onSodi.com. In the previous course, we learned some important Photoshop theory and some techniques to manage the size of our files. In this course Photoshop 101, we will now start to progress into Photoshop proper and look closer at some very important Photoshop features and techniques. As you progress through this course, like most courses here at onSodi, we're building up your knowledge as you learn the necessary skills to form a solid foundation in which to build upon. We start this course with a quick reminder of the important preferences to place into Photoshop. We then show you the history panel, and the history panel is like an insurance scheme for when you are working in Photoshop. It allows you to go back and undo previous adjustments. It is really important to become familiar with using the history panel, because we all make oversights in our retouching, and it's great to be able to easily step back and undo. We then have 4 videos on repairing images. We look at the spot healing brush tool, the healing brush tool, notice that they have very similar names, and the clone stamp tool. These 3 tools form the basis for detail retouching of images. In future courses, we will be using the foundations from this course to show you other advanced retouching techniques, which yield some pretty amazing results. But like most things in Photoshop, it is good advice to practice the foundations before we get to advanced, otherwise we won't always remember the advanced techniques. The image repair tools are actually quite easy to explain, however, it is practice that will make you good at using them. It takes time and application on your own photographs, and before too long, you will be repairing image detail with ease. In the final 2 videos we will show you the stamp function, which is one of the most important functions in Photoshop. Many workflows, from basic to advanced, benefit greatly from this function. As we continue to build your knowledge, we have an overview video introducing smart objects. Smart objects are everywhere in imaging software, and the theory behind them is really quite brilliant. But there are some workflow issues when working with smart objects, and to explain them all in one video would make a very, very long video. From this introduction video, we will give you the basics, and in future courses, you will see us build upon these basics. The final video is on image sharpening. Truth be known, every photograph can benefit from some image sharpening. Similar to smart objects, sharpening can also become advanced and complex. But like the majority of videos in this particular course, we're building the foundations for your future expertise. Enjoy, take your time, practice and have fun.